Underneath the world-famous Louvre Museum, there are a ton of stores and shops that you can look at, and one of those stores that you're going to see me visiting in this video is Vivaia. Now, Vivaia is a brand that I've worked with before, and I'm working with them again on this video to show you guys the store in Paris, a lot of the very popular styles right now, and there will be an unboxing at the end, so make sure to stick around to see what it is that I picked up. One of the things that really impressed me with this store was just how busy it was. There were so many different people looking at all different styles, all different colors, trying on lots of different shoes. They had bags present, which I didn't even know the Vivaia made bags, but they had bags that were there. They were interesting a lot of people. There were so many different shoes, so many different colors in each style. They also had the bow accessories you can add onto your shoes to make them a little bit more unique and personal to you. And all of the sales associates who were in the store were super helpful. This is one of the most popular styles. It is the Sneakerina, and the Sneakerina has been seen on, I believe it was Bella Hadid recently. This is a super popular style for fall. They were very comfortable. Next up is the Addison Slingback heel. I thought that this was a beautiful professional shoe that had a really comfortable heel to wear and walk around with. And that is super important for women, is to find a heel that is comfortable, and this one was also at a very reasonable heel height. One of the most popular shoes in the store is this pair of the loafers in the Paris dog print. It is super cute with a little wiener dog with the beret on it, but they do have a lot of other styles as well if the dog is not your particular cup of tea. And here I am trying these on. They are pretty cute and adorable with the navy and white stripe and the little teeny tiny touch of red on the teeny tiny wiener dog. The girl told me that their actual most popular style of shoe they sell are these Mary Janes. And I can understand when you've been walking around in the Louvre, if you did not realize that your shoes were uncomfortable, why these would be a super popular thing to pick up. They had so many different colors, and if you bought a pair of these, they actually had a special little gift that would come with it, and that was like this super cute little card holder. There were a couple of different versions that you could choose from, and I just thought that was really neat to be able to pick up a little souvenir from Vivaia that they would just gift to you if you were buying a pair of the Mary Janes, as that is their best-selling shoe. But in addition to the Mary Janes, another shoe that caught my attention were the sandals with the wedge heel. Again, another really reasonable heel height and a very reasonable shoe that you could easily wear around and walk in. The straps were super stretchy, which is great for summer as your feet swell. I did see this pair of ballerinas at the end where I'd seen a lot of women trying them on, and I finally just had to try them on for myself because the pearl detailing on them was just so cute and sweet. But I overall was very impressed with the store, with the staff, with the selection, and I was so glad to get to try on so many styles in person. So we are clearly not in Paris anymore because I did get something from shopping in Vivaia. I actually have two somethings to show you guys, both of which I'm really excited about. The first one comes in this box. It is obviously a pair of shoes, and the pair of shoes that I chose to get from my try on, and I was so excited to get to try on all of those different styles and all the different styles that they had, because you just never know how things are going to fit. It's something that I feel will be very good for me professionally. And that is the Addison shoe. So the Addisons are these pointed toe little sling back pumps that have this little cute heel on them, and I picked these for two reasons. One, they are navy, and I only have one pair of navy shoes. They are a 100mm pair of heels, which are great, but I don't always want to wear 100mm heel height because it's not always the most comfortable thing to wear. So I thought that great color in a heel for me to pick up. They are also super, super comfortable. And because I teach a lot in the fall and because I do have a lot of navy things, I thought this was going to be a great shoe for me to have to teach in this fall at the university, as well as just to wear whenever I need to. But the comfort level really made me feel like that this was going to be the right purchase for me. And then the second thing was just a sweet little gift that they gave me. You cannot purchase this, and typically you have to buy a pair of the Mary Janes to get this, but they very sweetly gave it to me anyway. And I got the little Paris card holder. I chose this version that has the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe, that has the French flag on it, and then on the back it of course says France. So this is made out of the same recycled material that the shoes are made from. It has one slip pocket on the France side. It has two slip pockets here, and I just thought this was a really cute little souvenir to have. They had two versions of this, and this one was the one that I really loved. And so that is the second thing that I got while in Vivaia. So let me know if you guys agree with my choice in shoe, if you thought that I should have gone with one of the other shoes. I will say I was very, very tempted by the Sneakerinas because those are super, super popular for this season. I was also super tempted by the pearl flats that I showed at the very end that I'd seen on several customers, and I was like, ooh, those are really, really cute. But I felt that the navy slingback heel was going to fit my needs best for this fall, and so that's the shoe that I chose to go with. With that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below because I do have the rest of my Paris vlogs. I have 2 more Paris vlogs coming, and then the unboxings from all of the rest of my shopping. And so really excited to share all of that with you guys. If you are interested in any of these pairs of shoes, I do have a discount code, which is VAFL, and that will get you 10% off any shoes that you are wanting to purchase this fall. So with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye!